Hi friends, this is Jeevan. Okay friends, today we'll say about some top 5 facts. Okay, today we'll see about top 5 facts. In that, number 1, it is what the milk will happen when the frog is happen in that. Okay, when you are getting the frog and putting in that, what will happen? It will not die because it can live in the liquid, means liquid. It can live in the land also, and it can live in the water also, means the liquid. Okay, because of it can live in the milk, but it is not the fact. The original fact is there in the 100 years back. The milk, we have the fridge now, but the 100 years back the fridge is not there. Because of it, they are using the interesting thing. It is, they will keep the cup of milk, means how much milk they are storing, they will keep in that side, and they will tell that the frogs and get it, put it that, and they will cover with the some paper kind of that, and they will put the small dot because the frog want to alive. After that, it can live for 3 days without any bacteria or anything. It is in fresh milk like an feel we can, because the some chemicals are getting out from this frog. From it, the bacteria will not attack. Like an antibacterial, the frog will work. The frog is don't give any color change or any extra virus or any bacteria. Because of it, in that time, the peoples are using this frog. Fact number 2, it is, do you know about the flight is having the horn? If it is yes, why it is? Okay, we will see so much things about it. Before that, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Because why it is, for not for any flight is coming against of us, and we want to earn, and not for it. It is, and main reason is, the original reason is, when the landing, means when is the landing is coming, the horn will, because there it is not like an engine sound. 5x of the engine sound is the horn. Okay, in that time, who are filling the petrol, and so much workers are there, no, for them it want to affect. Because of it, they are giving the horn also for fuel filling. Fact number 3, you are seen the dream. If it is yes, the dream is also calculated with the time. If you are sleeping with the correct time, it will get the fluent and melody. If you are going, the time is reducing and going late, the dream is also weird and like an dream of ghost. Because of it, the scientists are saying that you want to sleep in the correct time. Fact number 4, it is, you have the rubber ball and the glass ball. Okay, which you want to drop it in the air, and which will bounce higher? This is an question. What you will say? The rubber ball can, yes, but it not the answer. It is, the glass ball can bounce higher than the rubber ball, because the rubber ball less lost the pressure of it. You are seen that the ball is falling down. In that time, the ball is compressed. Because of it, means the energy is losing in that time. But the glass is cannot give the thing. Okay, because of it, the bones of it could be higher than that. But we want the unbroken glass, or we can use it as the steel. Okay, this is an fact number 4. Fact number 5, it is, the war and the lowest time, means very low time. You can think 1 year, or maximum 1 month, or maximum 1 day. Okay, but this is an war happened in the Anglo-Sicilia. This war's name, the war's duration is, you cannot believe it, it is one and only, not our high thing, it is one and only 80, not 38 minutes. That's all. the 38 minutes the war is finished. This war's name is Enzile Zili Zili. Okay, this war is an interesting name. Okay, this is our end of our video. If you want this kind of facts, please subscribe to our channel and we'll upload another kind of videos also. Okay, please, if you like this video, like this, and this is our end of our video. Until then, bye from Jeevan.